This is Get Prepared with Augason Farms. Here's your host, Augason Farms President, Nathan Yearsley.
I'm Nathan Yearsley, President of Emergency Preparedness Food Provider, Augason Farms. And together with the Family Channel and Heartland, we want to help you and your family get prepared. Emergency preparedness cooking focuses on having the ability to prepare food safely and efficiently when normal power or resources are unavailable. Of course, my own company, Augason Farms, will help you prioritize food with long shelf lives, such as vegetables, fruits, proteins, and shelf-stable milk. But when the electricity goes out, you need a plan of action, especially for both cooking and storing food, as well as having the right equipment and supplies. For cooking without electricity, consider options like solar ovens, portable stoves such as propane, butane, or alcohol-based. Sterno and butane stoves are great for indoor use in well-ventilated areas. Butane stoves, like those used in catering, are compact and powerful, while sterno is a lower heat solution that works well for reheating. Propane camp stoves are easy to use outside. Be sure to keep extra fuel on hand and check that everything functions before you need it. Take heed of safety precautions. Keep flammable materials away from cooking areas. Use timers and never leave cooking unattended. Keep anything that can catch fire away from the stovetop. This includes dish towels, bags, boxes, paper, and curtains. By preparing for emergency cooking, you can ensure that you have the resources and knowledge to provide nutritious and safe meals for yourself and your family during a disaster. Come on, let's get prepared.
For more information or to have Augason Farms meals, fruits, vegetables, egg, dairy, and dessert products delivered to your home, visit AugasonFarms.com.